If you're looking for a way to set up student onboarding without manual work, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to automate the entire process, saving you time and eliminating errors. First things first, when it comes to student onboarding, the most important factor is automation. You don't want to be manually sending emails, scheduling appointments, or tracking paperwork. Fortunately, there's a great solution that automates all of this for you. I've tested several of the most popular software tools out there, but the one we'll be using today has everything you need, and you can follow along with an exclusive free trial, available only for my viewers. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll need to do is create an automated student intake form. This is the starting point for any onboarding process. It allows you to collect essential information like the student's name, contact info, and what courses or programs they're signing up for. With the software we're using, you can easily create custom forms and integrate them directly with your student database, so no data is lost. Once you've got your intake form set up, you'll need to trigger an automated welcome email. This email is the first touch point with your students, and it's crucial to make it count. The software we're using lets you design professional-looking emails with customizable templates, so you don't have to start from scratch each time. Plus, it can be scheduled to go out immediately after the student submits their form. No more manual sending. Next, let's talk about scheduling. With onboarding, there's usually a lot of back and forth about meeting times and appointments. The good news is that this software has built-in scheduling capabilities. Students can pick a time slot that works for them, and the system automatically syncs it to your calendar. No more double booking or missed appointments. Now, let's move on to the next step. Document sharing. Instead of manually sending out documents or tracking down signatures, you can use the software to automatically generate documents, send them to the student, and track whether they've been signed. You can also send reminders to ensure students complete any necessary paperwork on time. The last part of setting up automated student onboarding is creating a personalized experience for each student. This software allows you to set up a series of tasks or reminders, so students don't miss anything important in their onboarding journey. You can set up automated follow-ups to check in, offer additional resources, or even ask for feedback. So, to recap, the key steps to set up student onboarding without manual work are creating an intake form, automating the welcome email, integrating scheduling, automating document sharing, and creating personalized follow-up tasks. All of these steps can be done automatically with the software we're using today. Remember, I've got an exclusive free trial for this software down in the description, just for viewers of this channel. Don't miss out on this opportunity to save yourself time and effort with your student onboarding. To leave you with a key takeaway, automating student onboarding isn't just about saving time. It's about creating a seamless experience for your students and reducing the potential for errors. By using the software, you can set up all the essential parts of onboarding without any manual work, making the entire process faster and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial below.